हम सबका एक सपना है कि हम हमारे पैसे से ना खुद की ड्रीम कार खरीदना चाहते हैं, बट काफ़ी कम लोग हैं जो एक्चुअली वो ड्रीम कार काफ़ी कम एज पर ही खरीद पाते हैं। हमने इनवाइट किया था रिसेंटली प्रथम जिंदल को, जिसका पूरा एपिसोड हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर लाइव है। ये एक क्लिप है जहां हमने उनसे पूछा कि एक्चुअली जब 22 के एज में एक कार उन्होंने बाई की है तो वो क्यों की, एक्चुअली डिसीजन लिया कैसे और उसके क्या पर्क्स हो सकते हैं। तो हाँ, ये एपिसोड की जो क्लिप है ये देख लो, एंड विद दैट पूरा एपिसोड अगर देखना चाहते हो तो लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। ऑल्सो यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर सकते हो हमारे आर्ट ऑफ मनी शो को। तो चलो स्टार्टिंग द क्लिप इन 3, 2, 1 गो। नाउ आई हैव वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लाइक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आपके कमेंट सेक्शन जिसे भरे हुए थे उस दिन वो क्वेश्चन मैं अभी पूछने जा रहा हूँ। Bro, see, we both are of the same age, ठीक है? You buy a car at 22.
Okay.
You buy a car at 22. And for me, seeing that, I felt jealous. मेरे पास कार क्यों नहीं है? ठीक है? Joking यार. But अच्छा, point पे बात करता हूँ. You buy a car at the age of 22. लोग 27, 28, 30 पे भी नहीं लेते, ठीक है? But you buy that car at 22. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इज इट ऑन EMI? मे बी हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो हाउ द कार सिस्टम वर्क्स बिकॉज मैं अभी तक देखने नहीं गया हूँ। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट गिव मी रीजंस व्हाई डिड यू बाय दैट कार एंड व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट स्पेंडिंग मनी देयर राइट नाउ एट दिस एज इज अ गुड मे बी इन्वेस्टमेंट, समथिंग लाइक दैट, और हाउ डज दैट सिनेरियो लुक लाइक?
Okay. So buying a car, like, I don't know, there wasn't like a definite reason behind it.
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted it.
Wow.
Right. So another reason might be, so my parents bought me like a second hand i10.
Okay.
Right, Hyundai i10. Right, and it was breaking down on me every other day. So I was very tired of it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna scrap this thing and buy myself like a really nice car that I wanted. Right. So yeah, so I got it on my 22nd birthday. Right.
Wow.
It was a great moment. Like, I bought it because, like, let's just say if I was in Delhi or Mumbai, right, it doesn't make sense for me to buy a car.
So true. Here it doesn't make sense, to be honest.
Right, but Chandigarh is a place where like the public transport isn't as good as Delhi or Mumbai.
So you need a car.
So you need something to travel, right? So you need a car, yeah, need a vehicle, right? And then another thing is, so okay, I'm being very vulnerable here. I'm a short guy, right? I'm a short, skinny guy, right? And I'm just 22, like trying to meet high net worth people in Chandigarh.
Yes.
Trying to get people take me seriously.
Yes.
Right. So I was like, how do I do that? Right? Because I have noticed the difference now. When they see me like coming by a nice car, it makes a difference. When they see me holding an iPhone, it makes a difference. It's very materialistic, but it has some point at some level, I think.
Wow. Man, I loved your honesty. Because to be honest, I'll be really honest, these things matters. कोई मानो या ना मानो, these things matters. Because I can feel that. देख, I'll be really honest. The day I bought my iPhone, I can... Like, see, इसके पहले तक I visited Dubai, I visited biggest events in India जहाँ से मुझे invitations आते हैं। बॉम्बे में डेली मुझे events के लिए invitation आते हैं, that आप आ जाओ, यहाँ आ जाओ, startup spear event है, ये event है। I went to Dubai as well for one of the event as a media partner. I felt this everywhere before buying that iPhone, that whenever 5 to 10 people are standing in a row or something like that when they're talking, most of the people have iPhone, and I always felt left out to pitch my phone and then talking about it. And we think in such a manner that उसके पास iPhone है, वो बड़ा आदमी, पता नहीं क्यों ये ऐसा mindset Apple ने ये mindset बनाया, हमने तो नहीं बनाया, Apple ने ऐसा mindset बनाया. That's pretty they're a good marketing, but that's so true, and I loved it, bro. Loved your honesty.
It's there in our subconscious, so yeah, we can't get rid of it.
Wow, bro, loved it.